Hey everybody. Been away for a while, been really busy. Um here I have a laptop. So it's a Dell Alienware Area 51. It's got a Ryzen 5000 series, Ryzen 9. I'm not sure what it is, 59 something HX or XH or something like that. But it's a Ryzen 9 mobile processor. I think it's like 8 cores, 16 threads. It also has a RTX 3070 mobile GPU in it. At work, I do like car audio installs, remote starters and alarms, and I also participate in countermeasures, drinking countermeasures service as well. I don't know, a year or so ago, the computer that I had in the shop that they provided me, it was like an old Apple iMac, like a desktop. I think it had like a 2-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and it was running Windows on boot camp, and it was just really slow, like really slow. I had other issues with it, and then finally it just died, and I took it upstairs and handed it to the guy who takes care of the IT in the store, and that. But I still needed a computer. He only had pretty much the same thing to offer me. So I brought in my personal laptop, because like I need to look up videos sometimes. I need to look up wiring diagrams and schematics. I need to be able to flash modules for car audio and remote starters. I need something that works. So I took in my personal laptop, and I've been using it for I don't know, almost a year now. But it's a very dusty environment, and so I thought I'd crack it open and do a clean on it. I need to get one of those what do they call it, little it's not a vacuum, but like a little blower duster doer. I believe these 2 screws back come out, and I think the rest of them are just captive. If I can remember correctly. Yeah, it's like on a spring. Laptop's several years old now. I mean, I could probably use a repaste too. Yeah, I'm not doing that today. I just want to see what I'm dealing with on the inside. He's dusty, I imagine. Oh, there's a point. There we go. Oh, actually, it's not too bad at all. It's pretty clean. It came stock with a 1 terabyte NVMe. I added a secondary one. XPG had I don't know, a Gen 3, I think it might be, I don't know, on sale after I got the laptop. I think it'll do Gen 4, but yeah, I don't know, Gen 3, they're still pretty fast. I just have games on that drive. I also upgraded the RAM. It had like 32 gigs of RAM. Or no, 16 gigs of RAM when I got it, and I upgraded it to a Corsair Vengeance 32 gig kit. So a little bit of dust on the fan housing or shroud, but yeah, I don't know. The inside looks pretty clean other than that. Yeah, well, everything looks good there. Yeah, and the heat sinks are pretty good too. I don't see any dust buildup in them whatsoever. Wow, that was a little bit of a waste. Not entirely, but a little bit. I just thought I'd check it out, make sure that, you know, because it's pretty dusty. It's been there several months now, and I thought for sure that this would be completely covered in dust on the inside. Surprisingly, I was wrong. Wow, that's good. I should probably do a repaste on it soon. I haven't noticed any temperature issues. But like I said, you know, it is a 5000 series processor and a 3000 series, so like 2 generations old. And I've never opened it up more than this. It's nuts, like the new Area 51s, the price on them. I mean, this one wasn't the top of the line, but I think the way it's configured when I bought it with the taxes, I think it was around 2600, which is like a lot of money for a laptop. Like, that's crazy. But I think the Area 51s now start at around 2700 for similar specs, and go up from there. So yeah, they've gone up quite a bit. Well, that was a short video. That's all right though. Thanks for watching. Just a little cleanup. It didn't really need. Just oh well. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Thanks very much.